be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
So it's Saturday morning and I'm starting a fresh vlog. We want to go out. Boys, we want to go out for shopping. We always do our shopping on Saturday. Although Oga Dubai, are you still crying? Are you kidding? Although Obi do like buying stuff every day. So yeah, that's what we are headed to. I'm wearing Hobby's shirt because none of my stuff fits me anymore. So I decided to wear one of his sweater because I just can't even, I don't have the strength to be looking for what to wear. It's giving, right? It's giving. It is giving. Evan, go and bring my bag. My red bag. Thank you, my darling boo. My favorite human being. Oh, do you want to say hello? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. He's crying this early morning. What happened to you? Got the camera. Say bye. Bye. Tu vois que c'est pas bon. Pour les enfants. Tu veux lequel ça? Tu veux lequel? Allez, don't waste my time. D'accord. Ça. 7 euros. No catfish.
C'est dans Cadiz, dans les repas. Pas peser le banane, monsieur. Monsieur, le banane, il faut peser.
Ok.
Ah, il faut peser?
Ah, il faut les peser?
Oui.
Il y a les peser où?
Ah oui, il y a pour les...
Merci. Ok, le territoire, ouais. D'accord, merci.
Merci.
Kevin, je sais pas ce que
But so guys, I'm so tired. To this Chinese store they call Paris store, and they actually sell a lot of things. This is my first time of going. I wanted to buy something, so I just used the opportunity to buy some stuff because I saw that they have some things that I need, some African, you know, African stuff that I need. And we also went to Babu. I think it's not Babu anymore. It's BNB or BNB. Let's buy this because this vase that I picked up from my sister-in-law house. I'm gonna be putting that. Right now I'm in the car waiting for them. They went to Carrefour. I'm tired. I feel like fainting right now. They're here already. That's so fast. So guys, I'm trying to sort out clothes. These are clothes that my son used this clothes that I used for my son when he was a baby. I'm trying to sort out the first wear, 0 to 3 months or 1 month to 3 months. Probably just give out the rest to someone that might need it. I have a carton. This one is another carton. I have another bag here, and oh my god, and I have this one here, guys. So all of these clothes are already washed. I washed everything here, and these are the ones that I think it might be unisex. Though I'm still contemplating. No, this one is not unisex. This one is very beautiful. I wanted to keep it, but I don't think so because it's actually like blue, sky blue. So we're not keeping this. Ça c'est pour le garçon, fille. Garçon.
Maman,
Ouais.
comment? Papa, c'est comment?
I don't know. So guys, these are the ones that I'm giving out. This one is 0 to 3 months. This one is from, I don't know, 3 months, 6 months. These ones are from 12 months. And I also have some